Action Setter may at times have technical issues that prevent you from opening it on Windows 11. So in this guide, we can show you how to fix the problem. So firstly, check your Windows for any pending updates and restart your PC. So basically, just open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, and any updates will be automatically downloaded. Once done, restart your computer and see if that resolves the problem. Additionally, run the System File Checker tool. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following commands, then hit Enter. Now the scan may take a while to complete, but once it's done, restart your computer and see if the Action Setter is now working. You may also use the DISM tool by opening Command Prompt with admin rights again. Type in the following command, then press Enter. Now after the command has finished running, restart your computer and see if the Action Setter is now working again. And those are the different fixes if your Action Setter is not opening on your Windows 11 computer.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.